Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So today we are going to continue our story about n8n, and today I'm going to teach you how to install community nodes. So first go to your n8n interface and check on the bottom left corner. You are going to see your account image. Click on it and click on settings. And now go to community nodes and install community node. And in here you can click on browse in order to look for more community nodes. You can search for any community node that you would like to install. And now I'm going to look for text manipulation. Is this one, n8n nodes text manipulation. And in here you're going to find multiple ways to install it. I want to install it using interface. So scroll down. In here you are going to see how to do that. So we have to copy this n8n nodes text manipulation text into this field. I'm going to check I understand the risk of installing unverified code from public sources. Okay, I'm going to click on install. Wonderful. Now go back, create another workflow. Right click, add node, text manipulation. Add to workflow. And in this episode I'm not intend to describe this node. I just wanted to show you how to install new nodes, and you are going to find a ton of different nodes. We are going to cover some of those on this channel, but for most of them you would have to look it for yourself. So guys, that's all for this episode. In next episode we are also going to have some interesting subject about n8n. So I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe, and see ya!